Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 11, Time and Motion. Our today's topic is periodic motion of a simple pendulum. In this topic, you will learn a simple pendulum, mean position of a pendulum, one complete oscillation, that is vibration, amplitude of oscillation, time period, and of course, an extra knowledge regarding frequency related with simple pendulum. Students, a simple pendulum has a bob made of a metal ball attached to a thread that is supported rigidly at one end. With the help of a diagram, I'll explain you the construction of a simple pendulum. Student, as in diagram, you will see that a metal ball A suspended from a string or a rod of negligible mass and length L fixed at a point S. The distance between the point of suspension S and the center of the bob is called the length L of the pendulum. Students, after the construction of this simple pendulum, now you will learn about the mean position of the pendulum. Initial position of rest of the pendulum A, as shown in diagram, is known as its mean position. Students, now we know that initial rest position of metallic bob A is its mean position. So, if the pendulum is displaced by a small angle theta and then released, the pendulum swings back and forth with periodic motion about its mean position. Students, next I will try to explain you a concept of one complete oscillation through animation. Dear students, as you see in animation, when pendulum completes one to and fro motion, it is said to complete one oscillation. The one complete oscillation follow a path from A to C, C to A to B, and B to A. The maximum displacement of the bob on either side of mean position is called amplitude of oscillation. Dear students, in animation, as you see that the time taken by the bob to complete one oscillation is the time period of the pendulum. It is denoted by T and it is measured in seconds. Students, now I provide you some additional knowledge, which is the concept of frequency in simple pendulum. The number of oscillations completed by bob or pendulum in 1 second is its frequency. It is denoted by N or F, and it is measured in hertz, which is abbreviated as Hc.